My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about StormX coin. What is the current price of StormX coin? And in this video I will talk about the special urgent update of StormX coin, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, and if you're new to my channel, so kindly subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. If we talk about the currently price of StormX coin, so the price is about 0.05838 USD is the currently price of StormX coin at this time, friends. And if we talk about the price change, so the price change, the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is negative, and the last 1 week change as positive, friends. That's mean that only the last 1 day change as negative, friends, and that is the price prediction, that is the price change occur in the 1st May, friends. So that is, it is the start of a new month, that is why the price change goes negative, friends. So it is clear that a lot of people goes to market and they're going to sell it. As I told you in my previous videos that don't do this mistake, but a lot of people do a mistake and they goes to sell it, friends. But now if you are a holder of StormX coin, so please don't worry this time, friends. As you can see here, that is the last 12 hour price prediction chart. If we look the price change occurred in the StormX coin and the last 12 hours, so the price change as negative 5.08%, and the highest price is about 0.062241 USD is the highest price of StormX coin. So friends, if we look the price chart, so they goes fast down every hour by hour, minute by minute fast occur in a StormX coin, friends. So that's not mean that when the change goes fast down you have to sell it. No, it's not mean, it's not a solution. You have to hold your coin. If you want to make a money in a cryptocurrency market, so you have to hold, you have to patience for a good profit, for a perfect time to sell it, friends. Now it's time to hold, friends. When the price change become and when they will give you a good amount of profit, so I think it's the best time to sell it, friends. And in the middle of this month they fast start, so I think it's the best time for you to sell it, friends. Now it's time, clearly it's time to hold, because as you know the change is negative, but don't worry, the change after 2 days, after 3 days this fall continues, and after these days they again take a jump in. I hope that will give you a good amount of profit, friends. So if you want more updates about StormX coins, so please you have to do only one word, click the subscribe button right now and like this video for my support, for my help. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video.